Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So you know what time it is. We got spoilers. That's right. I got spoilers for Slay Glam and Ice Cream Beauty Box for the month of August. And I honestly could not wait to get on here and share this with you guys. But I'm first going to apologize if I sound a little congested. I have been sick this week, so I'm still dealing with that a little bit, but girl, I couldn't wait. I had to get on here and share these spoilers with you because they're good. They are going to be good boxes this month. I'm super stoked. First of all, if you're not familiar with Slay Glam, it's $24 a month. You get 5 to 7 full-size items, and if you use code Michelle Martin, you're going to get 10% off your first box. And Ice Cream is $25 a month. You get 5 to 7 full-size items. You're guaranteed a palette in every box. And if you use code Michelle10, you're going to get 10% off your first subscription. But I'm going to have everything down in the description box for you. I'm going to have both of their websites listed and my codes, so that way if you wanted to go check them out, you can. And if you like these types of videos, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. But yeah, girl, let's go ahead and jump into the spoilers that we're going to be getting for the month of August. Girl, we're going to start off with Slay Glam, and our first spoiler for Slay Glam is going to be the Cara lip liner. I think the shades are going to vary on this lip liner. I'm not 100% sure, but I think that's what she had put on Instagram, is that the shades will vary with this lip liner. Okay, so our second spoiler for Slay Glam is going to be the Disco Queen lip gloss, and this lip gloss looks absolutely gorgeous. She sent me a swatch. She said it is shade shifting, so that's really nice. I'm super excited. I always love lip glosses. I am very much a lip gloss girl. And our third spoiler for Slay Glam is going to be this glowing face palette. Isn't this palette gorgeous? And it's by the brand Oakland, and I have tried a few things from this brand before. I've tried eyeshadow palettes, and their formula is really nice. So that's going to be a fun palette to play around with. So the fourth spoiler for Slay Glam is going to be a 5-piece brushette. Now this is a 5-piece eye brushette, so I'm so excited for that. I love getting brushes in subscription boxes. It's one of my favorite things to get out of a subscription box. Palettes and brushes are like my probably top 2 favorite things to get out of subscription boxes. Just because I really try not to buy brushes, because I have 18 containers of brushes around my room here, and I really don't need any more, so I don't buy them. But if they're going to be sent to me in a box, girl, I will take them. And our last and final spoiler for Slay Glam is going to be the Saints, Angels, Sinners palette. I am so excited to get this palette. This color story is like talking to me. Them blues and them purples, I cannot wait to use. And the names on here, they're so cute. Like one of them is Laverne and Shirley. Another one is Bert and Ernie. Like, how cute are the names? Like, come on. That is so cute. Sunny and Cher, yes. Super adorable. I love the names of this palette already. I'm so excited, and I'm most excited for the palette out of Slay Glam. That and the brushes. I'm excited to get some new brushes. Like, I love trying new brushes, so I'm actually excited for those 2 things, I would say. For sure. Okay, girl, let's talk about some Ice Cream Beauty Box now. Our first spoiler for Ice Cream is going to be My Skinny Mask. It's a Miracle Hydrating Serum. So when it says a Miracle Hydrating Serum, I'm like, yes, yes, yes. I love anything that is hydrating. And the name is so cute. You glow, girl. I'm like, I feel like this was made for me. It's so something I would say. Like, did I make this product? Because I would be like, yeah, girl, you glow. You glow, girl. I don't know. It's cute. I like the name. So I'm excited to be getting a skincare product. Now, Ice Cream does not give you a ton of skincare product, which I really appreciate, because I don't really care to get a ton of skincare products in my subscription boxes. I know some people do enjoy that, and it is a cheaper way to get skincare and try skincare without having to spend all the money on it. But for me, I like, makeup boxes. Like, that's why I'm getting it, is more on the makeup side. I personally don't like to experiment too much with new skincare because I have very sensitive skin, and girl, if I mess with the wrong item, I can, you know, be looking crazy. Like, I balloon up, I swell, I have allergic reactions to things. So, yeah, we like to be careful with what type of skincare I use and get and everything. So, but I am excited to try this one because I've never tried anything from this brand before. So, our second spoiler for Ice Cream Beauty Box is going to be Crown Metallic Liner Sets. And we're going to get the shade Purple Fairy and Gone Platinum. So I'm excited for these. I've used Crown products. I've used, I believe, Crown liquid lipsticks, and I mean, they're really nice. I like Crown liquid lipsticks. They go on, they dry down, and they do last for quite a while. So I'm excited to try out their eyeliners. I've never tried eyeliner from Crown before, so I really can't wait to get those. So our third spoiler for the Ice Cream Beauty Box is going to be the IBY highlighter and blush duo. Now, this is so cute that you're getting a highlighter and a blush together. It's a duo. IBY is an amazing brand. Their quality is always on point. I've never had an issue with any of their products, and I've tried a ton of their eyeshadows. So they're really a nice brand. I can't wait to try their blush and their highlighter. I think they're going to be really good. So our fourth spoiler for the Ice Cream Beauty Box is going to be the Bella Pierre Holographic Lip Gloss. I cannot wait to try this lip gloss. Like, this looks like a lip gloss that I will use for sure. I love the packaging of it. I like that it's a squeezy tube, but it also has a dofa with it, so that's really nice. I like that a lot. It looks like something that you could just stick right in your back pocket, which I love to do. I can't wait to try it. And last but not least is the star of the show. You know, the palette is always the star of the show for me. But I wanted to save this for last this time because I actually already own the palette that we're going to be getting in Ice Cream's Beauty Box this month. So I don't just have to pop up a picture. I can actually show you guys what the palette looks like. So we're going to be getting in the Ace Beauty Scarlet Dusk palette. OMG. You guys, this palette is so good. This is actually what I'm wearing on my eyes right now. So I will be doing a tutorial of this eye look whenever I get my ice cream box in. But I'm telling you, Ace Beauty, their quality on shadows is amazing. I've never had an issue with them being patchy. I've never had an issue with them blending out. I've never had an issue where you put it on and as you're blending, the color just disappears. None of that. It lasts all day. Like right now, I'm wearing this. You don't even have to use an eyeshadow primer to use their eyeshadows. Today I didn't put on an eyeshadow primer, mainly because I forgot, girl. I started doing my eyeshadow and I was like, oh, I forgot to put on the primer. But the colors are still very pigmented and they show up. They're not patchy or anything, and they will last all day on your eyes, even if you forget your primer, girl. Like I did. This is like the perfect summertime palette. I love this palette. I use it a ton, as you can tell. I really enjoy this palette a lot. So I'm excited that you guys are getting this palette in the box this month. So what am I most excited for out of my ice cream box? I think I'm going to pick the IBY highlighter and blush duo. I think that's what I'm most excited for out of this month's box because I've never tried any of their blushes or their highlighters. I've only tried their eyeshadows, and their formula is amazing. So I'm excited to see the blush and highlighter duo that I get, and I can't really wait to try that. Hopefully it's just as good as their eyeshadows. But yeah, girl, let me know down in the comments what are you most excited for out of each box. I would love to hear. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.